Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to keep Microsoft Teams status always green. So for this, what you have to do is change the power settings of your computer. Basically, if you don't allow your computer to sleep, it's gonna always show green and show you active on Microsoft Teams. Now to do that, what you have to do is just minimize this and then just go to your search and search for settings. From the best matches, just open up settings. Then from the left-hand bar, just go to System. Then scroll down a bit till you see Power Options. Just go inside Power. From here, under Screen, Sleep, and Hibernation Timeouts, just expand this section. From here, if you're on a PC, you will only see one option. And if you're on a laptop, you'll see two options, that is plugged in and battery. So doesn't matter whatever it is, just set everything to never over here. Make sure every single settings you see inside the Screen, Sleep, and Hibernation timeout is set to never. And after that, just go back to your Microsoft Teams and you will be always shown active. And basically that is how to show Microsoft Teams status always green. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.